Have you ever heard of the First Island Chain? This is a group of major archipelagos in East Asia, stretching from the Kuril Islands to the Philippines. It stonewalls Chinese access to the external Pacific region. The United States Naval Institute wants to blockade the First Island Chain if an armed conflict breaks out between China and the US. So, what if we told you that China is using the same First Island Chain to isolate Japan's Senkaku Islands? So, how is China preventing access of US vessels into the East China Sea via the First Island Chain? Is there any link between Chinese aggression near the Miyako Strait and Chinese Coast Guard activity near the Senkaku Islands? And what is Japan doing to counter it? Hi, and welcome to TFI Global, the foreign affairs and geopolitical analysis arm of the TFI Media Group. I am your host Shubhangi, and in this video, I will tell you why Japan is looking for more missiles to point at China. Let's begin. Japan has assumed the task of nipping China's misadventures in the bud. As per a latest report, sources say that Japan's defense ministry is looking to deploy Ground Self-Defense Force (GSDF) missile units with 500 to 600 personnel in the Ishigaki-jima Island in Okinawa Prefecture by the end of the fiscal year 2022. This will bring the number of missile units in the Nansei Island chain to 4, including the main island of Okinawa. Japan's plans of deploying missile units in the Okinawa prefecture are aimed at securing the Miyako Strait and the First Island Chain. China's maritime activity around the Miyako Strait has been growing exponentially as a part of Beijing's anti-access and area denial strategy to block the US forces from entering the region. According to the Strait Times, one of the sources said that one of the new units to be placed on Ishigaki-jima Island will operate surface-to-ship and ground-to-air missiles, whereas another unit will handle the initial response phase in case of a major disaster or armed attack by the adversary. Japan's plans to deploy surface-to-ship missiles and ground-to-air missiles is a clear warning to China. The Chinese People's Liberation Army Navy, or the PLA Navy, has been ramping up its presence in the region. Chinese aircraft carrier Liaoning often sails through the Miyako Strait located between the Okinawa Island and the Miyakojima Island. Once Japan deploys missile units in the Ishigaki-jima Island, there will be a total of 4 such operational units in the Nansei Island chain, namely the Amami Oshima Island in the Kagoshima Prefecture. The biggest takeaway is that Japan will be having missiles pointing from both sides, that is the Miyakojima Island and the Okinawa Ishigaki-jima Island, if and when China tries to navigate military vessels through the Miyako Strait. Japanese Defense Ministry is also looking to deploy an electronic warfare unit on Yonaguni-jima Island in Okinawa Prefecture by the end of 2022. This is again aimed at targeting PLA Navy vessels passing through the region. What Japan is doing in the Nansei Islands is strategically significant. The Nansei Islands form part of the First Island Chain, stretching from Japan through the Philippines to Indonesia. The First Island Chain throws the US to encircle the Chinese and prevent access into the greater Pacific Ocean. The only opening in the First Island Chain is the Miyako Strait, a wide body of water between Japan's Miyako Islands and the Okinawa Islands. This is a 250-kilometer wide passage that allows Chinese warships to sail through easily. Of late, China has been trying to dominate the region around the Miyako Strait. The deployment of China's Liaoning aircraft carrier and other vessels near the Miyako Strait is a part of China's strategy to block access of US Navy vessels into the East China Sea via the Miyako Strait. Beijing believes that if it can keep the US Navy at bay, it will make Japan vulnerable around the Senkaku Islands. In fact, China's main target against Japan has always been the Senkaku Islands. This is why the Chinese Coast Guard vessels have been making a record number of incursions near Japan's Senkaku Islands, which are also aimed by China as a part of its own territory, and China also has a name for it, the Diaoyu Islands. Chinese maritime activity near the Miyako Strait has coincided with the unprecedented levels of Chinese Coast Guard activity around the Senkaku Islands, which shows that Beijing is planning to isolate Japan near the Senkaku Islands. While Chinese maritime activity is increasing near the Miyako Strait, China also wants to ramp up pressure on Japan near the Senkaku Islands. However, Japan is not going to let China get away with its misadventures. Japan is deploying missile units around the Miyako Strait, which can open fire on the PLA Navy if tensions escalate into hostilities between Japan and China. Tokyo's plan would be to clear the Miyako Strait of Chinese vessels and ensure easy access for US vessels in case China and Japan lock horns near the Senkaku Islands. The Japanese missiles thus seek to create a deterrent effect against the Chinese vessels passing through the Miyako Strait.